food, our basic need. Today, we will learn about food and why it is important for us. We will cover 3 main topics. In first part we will see: what does food contain? Food gives us energy to play, study, and grow. It contains nutrients like vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and water. These nutrients keep us healthy and strong. All day long we do different activities like studying, working, and playing. Our bodies need energy to carry out these activities every day. Studying, working, playing, growing. We also grow from a baby to an adult. We sometimes fall ill and recover from illness. What helps us get energy, grow, and repair our bodies? The answer is food. Let us learn all about food and the essential things that food contains. What does food contain? We eat different types of food. But why do we eat food? Food is made up of different components. The components in food that are essential for energy, growth, and good health are called nutrients. The 5 main nutrients present in food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy for various functions of our body. We need carbohydrates to give us energy for activities like running, playing football and cricket, swimming, and walking to school. We need carbohydrates in much larger amounts than we need other nutrients. Carbohydrates are of 2 types: starch and sugar. Starch is found in rice, chapatis, bread, and potatoes. Sugar is found in fruits, honey, jaggery, and milk. People who do a lot of physical activity like farmers, construction workers, and soldiers need to eat more carbohydrate-rich foods than people who work in offices or do work that does not involve much physical activity. If we eat carbohydrates in excess, it can be stored in the body in the form of fat. Too much of carbohydrates can be bad for us as it can make us gain weight. Proteins. Proteins are bodybuilding foods. They help in the growth and repair of our body. We need to eat proteins for proper growth of bones and muscles. Young children like yourself need to eat protein-rich foods to enable your bodies to develop properly. Milk, meat, eggs, fish, beans, especially soya beans, and pulses are some foods rich in proteins. Fats. Fats have the highest energy value out of all nutrients. Fats help to keep the body warm and form a protective layer around our internal organs, protecting them from damage. Sometimes, they are stored in our body to be used for energy at a later time. We only need to eat fat in small quantities. Too much fat is not good for us and can make us gain weight and become unhealthy. Oil, ghee, butter, meat, and nuts are some foods rich in fats. Carbohydrates and fats are known as energy-giving foods. Vitamins and minerals. We need vitamins in small amounts to stay healthy and fit. Vitamins are also needed for the functioning of various organs. Vitamins are of various types like vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. Green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, and fish are some foods rich in vitamins. Our body also needs minerals like calcium, iron, etc., in small amounts for certain B functions and the formation of teeth, blood, and bones. Calcium, for example, is needed for strong bones and teeth. Milk, fresh fruits, vegetables, and eggs are some foods minerals. The table below lists the functions and sources of some important mineral. Vitamins and minerals help our body to fight disease and protect us from falling sick. Hence, food items rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Fact store. A person is considered undernourished he or she does not get enough food meet his or her requirements. India, despite its abundant food production, has one of the world's worst undernutrition rates among children. We need to make efforts to tackle this problem. Let's turn learning into action. The exercise solution is coming up next. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.